the midst of a snowy landscape, outside the house, the howling cold wind and swirling snowflakes create a perfect top-tier shelter made of solid stone and wood. When a blizzard envelops the entire forest, Harvey brings his dog Lucy to the wooden house built last spring, ready to face the storm, and spend a day and night here calmly. He first went to the firewood shed behind the house to select some dry firewood and returned inside to light the fireplace in the corner. As the smoke slowly drifted into the woods, the indoor temperature gradually rose. Taking advantage of this time, he cleared the snow in front of the door and the dust on the floor to keep the living environment clean and tidy. After that, he brought more dry firewood and piled it up for later use. Once he finished these tasks, he took out the ingredients he brought from his backpack and used the extreme cold outside to keep them fresh. Everything was in order, and he dressed up, calling Lucy to step out of the wooden house to enjoy the light snow and explore the surrounding natural scenery in the open, white, snowy field. A person and a dog ran and played freely, relaxed and at ease. After playing until tired, they returned to the wooden house, lazily sitting on the sofa, feeling the warmth from the fireplace, and soon fell asleep. Waking up from a nap, Harvey began preparing for dinner. Since there was no ready water source in the wild, the pure and unpolluted snow outside was an excellent source of water. While waiting for the snow to melt, Harvey stepped outside and ran back and forth in the open snowy field with Lucy, playing a game of chase. Then he put on his clothes and first went to the toolbox behind the house. He cleared the snow on top to prevent it from collapsing and cleared a path on the way to the bathroom. Then he went to a tree house built last spring. For various reasons, this treehouse has not yet been fully completed. However, the overall framework is basically formed, and only internal facilities need to be improved. He didn't stay here too long, took out a frying pan from the corner, and returned to the wooden house. As the sky gradually darkened, Harvey officially began cooking dinner. A sweet potato paired with broccoli, and cut the steak into small pieces. Drizzled with creamy mushroom onion sauce, a delicious steak dinner was completed. At the same time, he didn't forget to prepare dinner for Lucy to replenish her energy for the day. After eating and drinking enough, the thick night enveloped the entire forest. Outside the window, the snowflakes continued to dance without any sign of stopping. Harvey unfolded the sofa bed inside and added some dry firewood to the fireplace to ensure it would burn all night. Then he lay back in bed, ending this fulfilling day. The next day, after a night of wind and snow, looking out the window, everything was a vast expanse of pure white. Fortunately, the snow was lighter than yesterday. Thanks to the continuous heating from the fireplace, he and Lucy safely spent another night. After getting up, Harvey first went outside to wash the pots and pans. Then he set up the stove to brew a cup of rich coffee to quickly energize himself. Next, he dressed up and took a warm cup of tea outside, climbing up to the roof along the side water tank. Stretching out and lying down, he immersed himself in appreciating the snowy scenery while sipping coffee, creating a perfect atmosphere. However, the huge contrast between hot and cold caused Harvey's stomach to cramp. He hurried back to the wooden house, grabbed a roll of toilet paper, and headed to the nearby bathroom. After a good release, he felt relaxed and comfortable. Then Harvey returned inside, lit the stove, and began cooking breakfast while also preparing a special breakfast for Lucy. After eating enough, they both went outside to fully enjoy the last beauty of the snowy landscape before leaving. After packing his belongings, Harvey led his dog and set off on the way back.